What is belief? Who has the perfect definition of belief? Belief is knowing with 100% certainty that you can achieve. Sometimes you can believe in yourself and still limit yourself because there's an element of disbelief in you. So let's ask ourselves a question. When we're stagnant, is it because we're at a point of disbelief? Don't become stagnant and stay stagnant. If you have a moment of disbelief, okay. But then remember, the universe directs you. So when I go back to think about ever having disbelief, I couldn't find none. So if I had disbelief, it was temporary and washed away by my supreme belief in me. Welcome to the Illski Show, where we talk success, prosperity, and vision.